So good morning from Australia, fellow traders. I'm just going to try and do a quick market analysis on where we expect the market to be heading for next week, and I'll try to just quickly look at it from a 1 hour, not sorry, 4 hour time frame, and then on a daily time frame. I'll try combine two or three strategies. One is trend line and support and resistance, and also drop in a little bit of smart money moves. So I'll just do a quickly analysis of the pairs that are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just a quick one. So I'll start with this is stock. This is Apple stock. The Apple stocks closed on Friday with the bears, the bulls having the market. But one thing we have noticed is that price has been ranging all the way from the 6th of December up to last week on Friday. So what by ranging basically means price is yet to decide whether it's continuing upwards or not. So there's equal forces of buyers and sellers. So price reaches up to 182.7, reverses, goes back, reverses, tried to go up, but it didn't manage. So we're back again, and we closed when the bulls were trying to get onto the market. So for me, I expect next week price will still go back and try and break this level. And when I check on my trend line, basically what it means that price has been hitting the trend line and tries to go back. Hits the trend line, goes back. So in case of anything, should it break this structure and go low, then I'll be looking at just getting out when price hits at the trend line once again. But I think that will take special news. In general, if you just look at it in general, the Apple stocks have been going up and up, so we can as well say that the market is in an upward trend. Two, I'll like to look at CHFJPY. It's the same thing. The market has been in a good upward trend, price hitting the trend line and reversing, so it's almost hit the trend line and it's going back once again. If I was to use smart money, another important level, if price is going up, I think price will go up to around this level where we have double tops. So if I was looking to enter into a buy into this trade, I'll definitely enter up to here and see what this price does. Because if you notice this area, it is a noisy area where price ranged for some time. So this will be the immediate area that I'll look at for either buying. There's nothing much for selling unless price breaks structure and goes beyond the trend line. Let's look at Euro USD on a higher time frame. It has been ranging for some time. If you have to look at this noise here, it has been ranging from November. Nothing much has been happening on Euro USD, and as generally on my personal level, I don't like to trade when price is ranging. But we were lucky last week. We had the breakout. The buyers did well from Euro USD. But then if I look at the trend line, price has always been hitting the trend line and going back, and last week it hit that place on the trend line and it's again going back. So we'll wait and see how the week pans out. If you were to look at smart money, there's still double tops here. So what basically means is if this move was to be corrected, this long big candle was to be corrected, then price will still go back up to that level. But at the moment, I'll be looking for selling opportunities because just price has hit the trend line. Unless price goes past the trend line, then there's nothing much to look at from the upside. We go to CADJPY. CADJPY market has also been in an upward trend. I've been trading it using the channel, but on Friday the market finished on The market finished with buyers, yes, with buyers in control. And if you look at it critically, it's also been ranging from January the 3rd, reaches here, goes back, reaches here, goes back. So I'll basically avoid trading around these areas unless if you're doing short-term trades, and if you're buying, you just buy up to here and see how the market pans out. But for next week, I think I still expect the market to go up to this level. Downwards, there's nothing much down below. So that's for our new traders. You can continue just looking at the buys opportunity in that. For GJ, I've been waiting for a sell for a long time because price had ranged here for a very long period of time, and we always say the longer the price ranges, the higher the breakout. So for example, if you see here, price ranged for a very long period of time, but boom, look at that, beautiful. So price has been ranging, and on the top side there's nothing left. If you check it on the Fibonacci retracement tool, this is almost, price reached almost past the 88 level. This is the 100 level. So I think the bears will be looking at this critically, because there's a lot of money that has been left down the sides when price has been ranging. So personally, I'll be getting into the trade once we clear these little noises, maybe around here, around 154.90 downwards. So that is what I'll be looking at for next week. Gold, also the same. Gold has been ranging for some time, but then the thing is, this move here is yet to be corrected. The market tried to correct halfway, it's almost 3/4, but there's still a lot of money that's left around here. So the price is still ranging. We'll see what happens next week. But for me, this is an important area that I'll be looking at for a sell once price goes beyond this point. So I might go in for a sell if price goes beyond 100 and let's say around 133, and move all the way up to 149. But all in all, I'll still trade gold as on a lower time frame and see how gold pans out. Lastly, USD, AUD, USD. Looking at it in two perspectives. One, if I check on a 4-hour time frame, price has been reaching the trend line and reversing, So right now, price is already on an upward trend. I expect it to reach here and reverse. But then, if I move further and draw another trend line from another perspective, price has been reaching here and going back, so I'll be keen just to wait and see once price clears this region again, because it has also been ranging. Once price clears this region, I like to see what is the move. This wasn't here, there was a false breakout. I'm sure those who got in for a sell, it did not last a lot longer. So I'll wait and see what price does past this region. So I think that for me, that's what I'll be looking at critically for next week.